Hi dancers, today we're going to be doing a 10-minute Tendu routine to strengthen up your foot, your ankle, and your alignment in ballet class. Remember to always start your turnout from the top of the hip, making sure that the ankles are not doing the turning out, because then it places our feet and our ankles in irregular positions where we're not fully articulating or activating through our arch. Today's first Tendu is slow. We're going to go front 1, 2, 3, 4 to demi point and close 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing to second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full engagement through the knee. This is just demi point here, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 counts to demi point going back, and then 4 coming in. We'll do a little courtesy plie to release at the back of the ankles. Really think of pressing the heels down, and then come back up. Ready, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use the inner thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We release. 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat. 6, 7, 8. Again, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inner thighs are activating to close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4. Drop the heel in the back. 6, 7, 8. Nice release. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 6, 7, 8. Turn to the other side or switch your bar. Ready. 5, 6, 7. Other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 6, 7, 8. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 6, 7, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4. In. 6, 7, 8. Nice release. 2, 3, 4, and up. Make sure the arches stay lifted in the release. Don't roll forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, and in. 6, 7, 8. Knees over second toe. Release those ankles up. 6, 7, 8. Moving on to the next exercise. We're going to start in demi point. We're going to take that tendu out again, and we're going to roll to full point. When you do this, I don't want you to shift your weight forward and back as you're doing the roll through. I want you to really think about each individual toe is going to come up to reach that full point position. So you're thinking of the little toe going first, rolling through 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now you're up on top of the big toe, not pressing over the big toe, on top of it. We're going to roll through from demi to full point 8 times in the front. We're going to do the same thing in second position. So we're going from demi to full point to the side. Full engagement through here. We're not going to go to the back. We're just going to take a plie here. Lift the heels and then drive the heels back down to the floor. Think of more length at the back of the Achilles. Each time we do a small lift and lower, and then extend up through the knees and relax. Ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Demi. 1. Demi. And 2. Demi. And 3. Demi. And 4. Demi. And 5. Don't forget the engagement here. 6, 7, and 8. Let's close. Out to demi. Ready to go. 1. Pull up through the standing hip. Don't let it sink. And 4. And 5. 6. Doing great. 7 and 8. Let's close. We have plie. Little lift. This isn't releve. Heels down. Press them into the ground. And lift. And press. And lift. And press. Use the knees to extend inner thighs. And lower. Ready for other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. Second, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3. Check your alignment. Make sure knees in line with the middle of the ankle and the second toe. 6, 7, 8. And plie. Little lift. And drop it down. Lengthen and lift. Lengthen the back of the leg and lift. We go lower in each demi and relax. From 5th position now, we're going to take our arms up in second, and we're just going to have a nice tendu front. 1 and close. 2 and close. 3, lower the heel, use inner thighs to close. We have 1, close back. 2, close front. 3, lower to second, put the weight on it. Use the inner thighs to close. Then we have back and close, back and close, back. Lower the heel, square the pelvis here as much as you can. Don't let yourself rotate. Make sure you're nice and even, and then inner thighs to close. Back to side. 1 and 2, 3, lower, squeeze, and where you started. Ready? 6, 7, 8. 1, use all the parts of the foot. 2, 3, roll through the foot, squeeze inner thighs, use the floor. And 2, 3, lower through and squeeze to the back. 1, 2, 3, lower, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, and lower. Bring it in to end. Switching to the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3. Lower the foot and squeeze. And 1, 2, 3. Lower through and squeeze to the back. And 2 and 3. Lower through the foot, squeeze. And 1 and 2 and 3. Lower through and squeeze. Facing the bar, first position. Let's follow along. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6. We're tenduing to side. 1 and close. And 2 and close. Watch the hip rotation. 3, pass through demi, point to full, demi full, demi down. And 4, 5, 6, close with the inner thighs. 7, 8, and switch. 1, 2, let your first position point to the direction of your second tendu. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Plie here, release, and come back up. Taking second position, again, we're gonna go demi to a little bit of a lift, just a tiny dégagé, thinking of the midfoot, doing all the work. Ready? Start in demi, point, engage through the quad. 6, lift through the core. We lift up. 1, it's just a small lift. 2, enough to stretch your toes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. Dummy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Focusing in on everyone's least favorite tendu, back. We're going to go from first position and we're going to really think of lengthening up through this side of the hip, dropping the heel down and being on the inside of the big toe. As you come in, don't sickle. So you're going to keep the heel forward as much as you can, holding your turnout so that it matches the first position of the standing leg. Don't overshoot it and really pull the heel forward, otherwise you're going to end up with a flattened arch and an asymmetrical first. We're going to do 8 tendus on each leg going back. 6, 7, 8. 1 and in. 2 and in. Keep the knee engaged as you go out and in. 4 and in. 5 and in. 6 and in. 7 and in. One more. 8 and in. And relax. Switching feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and in. 2 and in. 3 and in. 4 and in. 5 and in. 6 and in. 7 and in. And 8 and in. Release. Next exercise, we're going to go from demi point and then we're going to do a demi rond to full point in second position, taking it back to demi point in the front and then full point as we take it to side. Ready? 6, 7, 8. We have second and front and second. Use the floor as your resistance for this tendu. And 3 and front and 4 and front and 5. Don't let the heel drop. And front and 6 and front and 7 and front and 8 and front. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and front, and 2, and front, and 3, and front, and 4, and front, and 5, and front, and 6, and front, and 7, and front, and 8, and front. All right, let's close out today's routine with a quick stretch. Just take your leg behind you. Make sure your toes are pointing forward and hold. Scoot the back leg in and bend and hold here. Knees going over second toe. And switch. Legs straight and parallel. Do not turn it out. Bringing it in, bend the knee. And release. Take it back again. This time bend and straighten. Bend, straighten. Bend, straighten, bend, straighten. And hold. And release. Other foot. Bend, straighten, slight lift of the heel. Straighten, bend, straighten, bend, and straighten and hold. And release. Good job today, dancers, and if you need any assistance at all, just be sure to email info@veronicakballet.com.